Lakers. Apologize for the downtime. I had a little vacation coming up with my family, and I decided to not bring the cameras and stay offline and unplug for a little bit. But I'm back, and in case you haven't noticed, I actually have 2 cameras now, so hopefully you get a little bit more interesting content or angles. And today we're headed out to the Woodstock, New York Harley Davidson. They've got a party for the 115th anniversary. And if rumors are to be true, they also have a couple of 2019s in stock. So we're heading over to check out the party, have some free food, listen to some music, and maybe check out a couple of the new bikes. I'll see you there. Up my time at the 115th anniversary for Harley Davidson at the Woodstock Harley Davidson. I want to thank the crew at Woodstock Harley Davidson. They had everybody there helping out for food, music, chairs, lining up the bikes. It's a great time. Got to see a couple of the 2019 bikes. They only had 3 in stock, but it was still good to see them nonetheless. And until next time, I'll see you later.